Stop looking at your current problems as problems. It is a cleansing process meant to evolve you for you to realize that all phases are transient, something that I have also taught you with my Udi. All visible phenomena are as transient as ash. I see no one as good or bad and right or wrong. Now onwards, you too must learn to do that. It's just a game of thoughts arising in individual minds that creates conflicts and distinction. We are all indeed one, the expression of that one energy of the Creator. Realize this truth about yourself and others too. Then you will get rid of all dualities and be in bliss. Visit my temple this Thursday. I wish to see you. Lots of love and blessings, my dear lovely child.
स्वतंत्रतानी जीवा. आज स्वतःला आरशात बघा व स्वतःलाच पाहून हसा. एक छानशी मिठी द्या आणि नेहमी विश्वास ठेवा की मी तुमच्या सोबतच आहे व तुमच्यावर खूप प्रेम करतो. म्हणून आनंदी रहा व खूप हसत रहा. माझे आशीर्वाद सदैव तुमच्या पाठीशी आहेत.